Hello, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to install Flextop WordPress WooCommerce Marketplace on the server. We will install it on test-demo.com. For this, first of all we should create MySQL base, then user for this base, and then install WordPress. For this, please go to your hosting account cPanel, which is here. For creating MySQL base, we should click on MySQL database again. So now we should create new base. For this, write base name in this field. For example, Flextop. It's template name, and we'll name base with same name. Click on create database. Database has been created successfully and its name is demo user Flextop. Go back. Database is here. Now we should create user for this base. Write, for example, your name, then password which you like, and click create user. User has been created successfully too. Now we should give to this user George, give access to this base. For this, we should find here user, it's one only, and base 2, and click add. Check all privileges and make changes. Everything is okay now. We have created base, it is base name. We have created user for this base, and now we should install WordPress. We will do it in the next step.